Welcome home. So this is your new home in the heart of Central Florida. Pine Ridge Estates is a beautiful community that's easy access to all of the great amenities that Florida has to offer. Before we talk more about that, I want to show you this beautiful home. It's a custom built home. It was built in 2018. This is unlike any floor plans that you customarily see in this community. The first things you'll see is how wide open this living area is. Huge kitchen, tons of cabinets. This island is incredible. It has cabinetry underneath the island. You've got your outlets on the side of the island. You have a lot of workspace. So if you're like me, you're envisioning yourself cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the family, Christmas dinner, all of the holiday gatherings, you have plenty of space and everyone will be comfortable. This is a split bedroom plan. To the left we have our guest wing, as I call it. You'll notice that there's very high ceilings, 12-foot high ceilings throughout this house. We have the wood look tile floors in all of the main traffic areas and the nice soft plush carpeting in the bedrooms. Guest bathroom right in between the two guest bedrooms. Being that this home was built in 2018, you're going to see features like the upgraded double pane windows with the tilt functionality for easy cleaning. You're also going to notice that the fixtures are modern, unlike some of the older homes that you may be seeing. The layout is just perfect in that you've got that separation of spaces, but it's still very functional and very comfortable. So right off of the foyer is a nice office space. Built-in bookshelves, you've got that sliding ladder there so you can get to all of your reading materials. Nice spotlights, again, so you have the ability to see what books you're looking to pick out. This kitchen is amazing. Your pantry is over there to the left end of the kitchen layout, fully equipped. So on this side of the house, we have the primary owner's suite. Very spacious bedroom. You see you've got plenty of room for a big bed, some cabinets and tables, and some extra seating. We've got the ensuite bathroom, 2 sinks, a makeup area, and a nice walk-in closet. Another neat feature of this house is the door that goes out to the back lanai. So if you like to have a hot tub or just your own access in and out from the bathroom, if you wanted to add a pool someday, you certainly could do that, and you have all of the access there for the bathroom as well as the bedroom. Right here is the water closet, lots of space in there. Very nicely put together. And it's equipped with the bidet. Linen closet, you can't have too many of those. And you're noticing, I'm sure, that all of the finishes in this house are matching one another. So again, because it was built in 2018, everything coordinates very nicely. Good interior laundry, some shelving, and then a nice size 2-car garage. No need to worry about water heater. It is very new. Everything is 2018. So you are able to buy this house and be ready to go without the worry of older fixtures and appliances. This is a slightly over an acre lot, 1.06. So we have the backyard is fenced and ready to go if you've got pets. Look at this huge screened lanai. So this porch is expansive, lots of space to enjoy. You can have dining out here. There's a wet bar right below the pass-through from the kitchen. And you can have the grill set up. And you can see there's a inflatable hot tub there and lots of access points to go out into the yard. So you're ready to go if you've got a dog, And then there's lots of space beyond this fence for you to enjoy as well. An acre really gives you a lot. You can do some gardening. You can have the fire pit like you see there. And then on either side of this house, there are vacant parcels. So it's possible that if you wanted more than the acre, you could acquire an acre on either side as well. But for now, they're vacant. It gives you a lot of privacy. You can see that these windows are tinted. So when you've got that sun, it's going to be reflected so you're not getting all of that heat into the house throughout the summer. The sliders pocket all the way back. And here we are again in this gorgeous living space. And I don't know if you noticed, it'd be hard to miss, but when you walked in off of the front porch, that front porch is the stamped concrete floor, so it looks like beautiful wood planking. And that really just draws right into this nice tile wood look flooring, and it's very durable. That's the thing, is everything is very durable. It's going to hold up and stand the test of time. So this is a great option if you're looking for a house that gives you all of the space and all of the comforts. And again, we're Central Florida, so we have an easy commute to get to the airport in Tampa, about an hour, a little over an hour drive. We also can get to Orlando for all of the theme parks and amenities. We've got plenty of shopping and restaurants. That's a quick drive away. And this community allows you to have horses. It's an equestrian community, so it's a great place if you're looking to just enjoy nature, or if you even want to have those horses and enjoy those amenities. $95 a year HOA. It's very affordable. If this sounds like something you would like to know more about, please reach out to my team. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, and we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can reach us at 352-794-1426.